How am I gonna get the camera? Whoa. Oh my God. It is cold and windy today, and all of the leaves are blowing off of the trees. So there is a complete and total leaf mess going on outside. Today, I have to go get the trailer again. If you guys see my last video, we did the fuel mile per gallon test, pulling the box trailer, which is not at my house. So I have to go back and get that today, because my dad decided that he wants to put that tire machine in his garage. So we're gonna go get it for him and get it over there. And we have to find some pallets. I have some ideas in mind for some pallets that I think might be pretty cool for the garage. So let's go. All right, guys, one problem. We got over here to pick up the trailer, but it's blocked in. And all the vehicles are locked. There's no keys anywhere. No one's home. House is locked. So I don't know how I'm gonna get the trailer. But I don't know, we'll worry about that later. But on another note, ran into the gas station to get my Mean Bean Monster, and guy stopped me walking in, says, "Hey, nice truck, thing looks great. Are you gonna put a big lift kit on it?" So that brings today's topic. My truck, 2017 Ford F-250 6.7 PowerStroke Platinum. I actually do get stopped a lot saying, "Hey, you know, nice truck, nice truck." Anyone who knows what these are can appreciate them. They're very nice, I will say. Every single person, well, not every single person, but about 99% of the people that stop me and say, "Hey, nice truck," the following thing they say is, "Are you gonna put a big lift kit on it and big mud tires?" So that has come to be the normal with today's like modern diesel trucks, or any type of truck, is big huge lift kit, big mud tires, 26 like by 16. You know, the wheels just keep getting wider and wider. If you look at SEMA, which just happened this past week, like any truck at SEMA was like 12-inch lift, crazy airlift or air ride, or you know, some kind of 4-link suspension, like some big stuff, like obnoxious stuff that you can't really use your truck for. So my answer to all these people when they ask me, "Hey, are you gonna put a big lift kit with big wheels and tires?" I simply just respond saying, "No, I'm 100% not gonna do that, because I use my truck every day and I need it to be that ride height. I constantly put pallets with forklifts into bed and hop in and out, and I have a family, and I have the car seat still in the truck." And let me tell you really quick, a car seat with no baby in it rattles like crazy. It's so annoying. So yeah, I use my truck every single day. Like today, I'm here to pick up the trailer. Yesterday, I hauled in the gas field. The day before that, I hauled a pallet. The day before that, I filmed a trailer video. So it's just, I guess every person is different, whether they want to lift their truck or not. But for me, it would be a huge inconvenience. I have worked with a lifted truck before. 6-inch lift, big tires, big wheels, worked with it, throwing stuff in the bed, hopping in and out of it. And I can tell you, anyone who does that, anyone who has a big lifted truck and they work with it, like as in not just drive it to the work site and just get out of it, but like actually use it. They're constantly hauling stuff, towing stuff. You got to have a big drop hitch. or putting stuff in the bed, like pallets, shovels, toolbox, anything like that. You can do it. Don't get me wrong, it can definitely be done. It's just inconvenient, and I would just not prefer my truck to be that high and constantly be jumping up and down and using it for the kind of stuff that I use it for. It wouldn't be worth it for me to do that to my truck.
Please say a command.
Call dad work cell.
Calling dad work cell on cell.
Can you hear me?
What's up? Yeah, what's up?
What are you doing?
I have to run a lottery sheet to your mother.
Oh, perfect.
What's up?
So you're not going to be home?
Why? You know, I'll be home. Why?
I can't get the trailer. It's blocked in.
Where the hell's everybody at?
I guess they're all at work.
Shit. Well, alrighty. What are you doing?
Filming a video.
So you didn't even go over and check.
I'm here right now and you're on video. This is going to go in the video.
Oh, thanks. That's nice. All right, later.
All right, bye. So we abandoned the whole trailer and tire machine operation for the day. Looks like I'm gonna have to do that tomorrow. So back to my discussion here about should you keep your truck practical or not. I'm asking you guys out there to comment on this video on what you think. For me personally, I want to keep stock ride height. I want to fit the biggest wheel and tire I possibly can on this truck, stock ride height. I think it's Fab Fours. I made a video about it previously. Fab Fours makes this kit where you can fit 40-inch tires on stock ride height. But you like really have to cut up your fender, and I don't know if I want to do that. I'm sure everyone has been faced with searching for pallets a time or two in their life, whether they're using it for a project or a bonfire or something. And I can tell you that I haven't had to look for pallets in a while. And I'm having a tough time finding some. But really quick, I have showed this truck several times throughout my videos on my channel. I'm just absolutely obsessed with it. It's nothing special. Some of you may laugh, but I absolutely am obsessed with this truck. Ready? Bam. It's a bobbed deuce and a half. I mean bobbed meaning there's usually tandem axles in the rear. Bobbed deuce and a half. It just has the olive green military, you know, fresh paint. The big wheels and tires. I mean, I'm just obsessed with that. Who wouldn't want to drive that? Obviously, whoever drives this works at the grocery store, so they obviously technically kind of daily drive this thing. That's awesome. Whoever you are, if you watch these videos, please reach out to me. I would love to get a full test review of this on the channel. I don't want the blue, but I want the regular. Take this. One pallet. guys. So we have to get these right there. Ready? Whoa. Gotta love the YouTube magic. All right, but seriously, whew. I just chugged the rest of that monster. And I'm out of breath. Actually, I'm out of breath from throwing all those pallets out of the truck. Okay, but seriously, what I want to do is right here, picture it with me, right here, I want to do a pallet wall to block all that junk back there. So basically, I want to knock the slats out of those pallets, pull the slats, the planks, the boards off of them, and then run like a 2x4 like skeleton framing type deal, and then have all of the slats on the framing to have a nice pallet wall dividing over here from over there and hiding all of that stuff. We can use it as like a backdrop for like filming like commercial type stuff for my website, and it'll just look a lot cooler than all of that back there. Do you guys agree? All right, guys, I'm just here lounging on the tractor. Look how low the steering wheel is. I mean, my knees are right here. The steering wheel is below my knees. I don't know, man. That just seems a little, just seems like an awkward position. But anyways, we had a somewhat successful day. We didn't get the trailer, we didn't get the tire machine over to my dad's, but we did get some pallets. So I don't know. Tomorrow maybe we'll get some more pallets and we'll start on the wall going behind my toolbox there to divide all the storage junk in the back away from out here. So stay tuned for some more garage updates, and if you guys made it this far, you guys are awesome. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and join the Modern Diesel family. Give this video a thumbs up if you thought it was okay, and if you guys are into diesels or power strokes or anything like that, go back through my channel. I have a lot of cool diesel power stroke related stuff. We work with SPE, so they have like a ton of power stroke stuff. They're like the pioneers of the whole 6.7 power stroke world. They have the fastest power stroke dragster. They have the fastest four-wheel drive power stroke. They have a whole lot with 6.7 power strokes. So go check it out. There's a lot of cool stuff in there. I bet you guys will like it. But that is it for today. I am losing daylight, as you can see. It gets dark. It gets dark super early, which, as if winter doesn't suck enough that it gets really cold up here in Pennsylvania, it has to get dark at 5 o'clock. But oh well. It's only a couple months, and we're just going to keep moving on. But don't forget to subscribe. That's it for today. I'm getting ready to head to the house. I will catch you guys on the next video. Peace!